MediPets CBD are the high-quality, scientifically formulated CBD oil products made just for pets. The product line features CBD oil for dogs and CBD oil for cats and an abundance of carefully formulated CBD pet treats. Pet CBD oils from MediPets CBD are the best way to give high-quality CBD hemp oil to your dogs or cats. MediPets CBD products are free of THC, easy to use and 100% natural. MediPets Pet CBD Oils air-safe and gentle enough for cats. MediPets CBD Pet Treats are the CBD oil infused edible treats designed for cats and dogs of all sizes and breeds. MediPets CBD Pet Treats have the flavors and formulations that make it easy to add a high-quality CBD to help keep your dogs and cats healthy. CBD Pet Spray from MediPets is the pure CBD oil cannabidiol spray designed to make giving your pets CBD easier than ever. Just spray MediPets CBD into your dog or cat's mouth to help reduce stress and anxiety. Click the link below for more information or to purchase MediPets CBD.